How long does it take to get an SBLC? Are you facing the urgent requirement of availing standby letter of credit for your local purchase? Are you worried that your bank will take days or weeks to issue the standby letter of credit? Apply standby letter of credit on behalf of your company and get the SBLC issued in just 48 hours. Wondering how we issue the SBLC in 2 days? Once we receive the SBLC request from you, we will start processing your request on the same day if you comply with our terms and conditions. And then, you need to sign the service agreement and pay the admin charges. Then, we will send the SBLC draft for your review and approval. If you approve the SBLC draft on the same day and pay the issuance fee charges, we will work with our bank instantly to get the SBLC issued. Our bank will take approx 24 hours to process the request and issue the SBLC on behalf of your company and in favor of your supplier. To get standby letter of credit in just 2 days at zero collateral, email us support@importletterofcredit.com. Call us 9714551969. Phone or WhatsApp or bottom 9715046487761. Visit www.importletterofcredit.com.